Recently had this video go viral on TikTok, and for quite some time now I've only used TikTok. Since this video was doing so well, I thought that I would post it on Instagram and YouTube and see what happened. The results are very interesting to me. When I posted this video 4 days ago, now I had like 150 followers, but now I have 43,000 followers in 4 days. That's crazy. Not so crazy if you look at how many views this video got on Instagram. What I find most interesting is not the amount of views that video got, but what my other videos are getting. Like for instance, this video on TikTok, I'm pretty proud of this video. It's one of my better videos, I think. It's only got 10,000 views. But on Instagram, this is the same video. I know it's a different screenshot, but it just is. It's got 170,000 views. That's like way more. Or like this one, which is, I think it's a better video too. It's got 33 almost thousand views. But on Instagram, it's got 156,000 views. And now I'm wondering, like, why is that? Is it the type of people who use the app? Is it the algorithm? Is it a combination of the both? I'm sure it's all those things. And in case you're wondering, this is YouTube. I have 260 followers, and the video that is getting millions of views on those platforms got 2,000 views. So I'd love to know your thoughts. Why do you think videos perform so differently on these different platforms? I'd really like to know.